Hello, welcome back to our channel. Among you who are new, this is John, CEO, founder of VSHR Group. So you are watching this video series, the fifth video of the mental model video series. So if you have missed out 4 of them, those are amazing. Check it out in the channel so you can see all of them. And today I'm going to go and tell you the 5th mental model, which is called the compound effect. How this compound effect could be really successfully, you can use it to become a successful professional, or you could be a successful entrepreneur. In this video I'm going to explain to you. I personally love using this one, and I've been practicing for a long time, so I have that power of compound I have seen inside of myself, so I know that how useful it for me in anything I wanted to do. So I'll be sharing with you that big secret. It's kind of not my secret, but yeah, it's one of the things people tend to see and say that, hi John, how did you do so many things? But it's actually compound effect. Why do I really productive? It's about compounding effect as well too. But anyway, let's get started, because I want to help you to understand what is the power of a compound effect to make you a successful professional and entrepreneur. Let's get started.
After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? So let's give a big student leaders to bring a training to you. Why don't you give a
First, I want to start you with questions. Like an example, if somebody want to offer you $1 million today, or want to give you, second option, I'm going to give you 1 cent today, and then we'll be double that every possible day until 30 days. So that means today we'll give you 1 cent, tomorrow you'll receive 2 cents, and then day after tomorrow you'll receive 4 cents. So what happened? So this offer was offered to 2 of the guy. One guy A, was super happy to get $1 million. He took this one and he put it in his bank account. The second guy who took that second offer, which is the poor offer, like a 1 cent a day, first day, and then it will keep doubling the second day. So $1 million, he received the $1 million. Had been super excited. He put it in the money and he go traveling. He go to America. He go start the traveling. He start buying expensive cars and so on. But the guy, third day, he was having still having like 1, 2 means $2 means 4 cents. He has received in his bank account, and the guy already ordered a very expensive car. He already got a suit. He's going around to the different networking events. He's going around to different dating events as well too. And as a top executive with really good shiny situations. And this guy, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, gone. But what happened after 31 days? You know what is that? It's called the power of compound. Those 31 days, can you guess how much money the guy 2 will get? I give you 5 seconds. 1. Just guess it. 2. Guess the number with the guy 2 will get. 3. 4. 5. Okay. Write it down your number. Go ahead and comment below if you already found it. Whatever number you got, put it in comment below. I love to see your number. But however, the true number is that person will get 10,737,480. So again, 10,737,418.24 that person will get. Can you believe that number? I can put this calculation into this video, and here you can check it out, or in the description section, but that is a total number. Can you believe that? Why the guy 2 get 10 times after 30 days, but the guy 1 just took the one in the day 1? Because the guy 1 didn't understand the power of compounding. So this is called the power of compounding. If you have a mechanism to doubling the progress every possible day, and then you can able to get a big return over time compared to even the small return in the beginning. And you can use this approach for every possible way. Like an example, if you're a professional and you're going to work and you're doing the job, you're making mistake, you're learning. But if you want to go ahead to other and make really good progress in your corporate journey and your corporate ladder, you have to learn more. This is the success booster card time. So question of the day: what is your key takeaway of this video so far? Go ahead and comment below the answer. We'll love to see what is the key takeaway. Science said that when you take up a key takeaway and note it down somewhere, you had a 35% chance to be actually doing it in your life to make it value out of it, which is amazing, right? But hang on, 35% is not enough. You need more, and this is the way I'm going to tell you how you can really make it happen. When you make a set of action, a plan that goes to from 35 to 91%, you can really make it happen in your life. So here we go. So from the key takeaway, what is the key action plan you're going to take, which is you learn from the video to your life, make a plan and comment it in publicly and commit into it. And that's what's going to make sure that you got 91% read that is going to really happen to you. Will be able to make it happen and become successfully achieve your goal. And here's the last possible hack. When you announce something, a plan publicly, your 91% goes to 94% to really make it happen in the real life. So go ahead and comment below your plan in the video sections. We would love to see your plan, and we are 100% reply every comments in our channel. So we're going to see your plan, we're going to comment it, we're going to give you a feedback, and we're going to consult you to help you to make your plan to a reality. And that can go to up to 100% reality happens to your life. And that's how you get your action, key takeaway to action plan to success to your life. And you know what? We're also sitting down here to help you and celebrate your success with you. So what are you waiting for? Let's go back to the video, finish it, and we're looking forward to see your action plan. And let's make it happen to your life, because you can do that, right? All the best. Don't forget to make your plan, okay? Don't forget to make your plan. See you soon. And how to learn more. You have to learn a little more, a little thing every day, and that will get you going forward. So if you say this one, John, how do you become a CIO? How do you become a director? How do you become a CRM manager? That's it. I was learning every day. I was going to work, doing my job the best way, that's the basic, and then learning on top of it. And I did it consistently, and that made me as a CIO or group IT director over time. And the same way, when you are an entrepreneur, you are building a particular brand. You need to build that content every day and put it into the channel and keep going forward. And then over time, you will have a big return of investment, which is going to be you will have a successful brand in your market. And that is where a lot of entrepreneurs are failing, because they're so much focusing about the return of investment, and so that's why they're not putting effort to bring in the right people into the team. They're not putting enough investment to doing the content to build the brand. They're not improving themselves as an entrepreneur to have a better skill to lead their startup as well too, and it's failing. So unfortunate, right? So that is why it's failing. And so that is why this compounding effect is one of the best effect I like in this whole mental model, which I'm sharing with you. The number 5 is about if you could improve a little thing every day, a little thing. Like an example, if you want to be a productive person, find a simple one thing to improve your productivity a day. And if you keep doing it for next 3 months of time, a little bit of optimizing of your day, and you'll be quite a good productive person. So like an example, a lot of people ask me that about, John, how do you do so many things? It's the result of the compound effect. First of all, I have done so many things behind, and over time, it's go bigger and start to get a compounding the effect. The same way, when I was doing so many things, I also find myself to be more productivity and use my time more efficiently. And how do you do this one? I keep optimizing my day every day a little more. I try to push a little more harder into my progress a little more, and that makes me really good optimize. So that's one of the things. Like an example, you can see the video is over almost 10 p.m. 3 minutes. I'm shooting right now. How do I have this energy? Because I was working as a director of digital transformation today. I was leading multiple meetings for Pro Academy, for VSHR groups as well too. And then I did interviewing my candidates to join my teams. I did networking in LinkedIn because I want to hire for for my departments. And now 10 p.m. I'm sharing this video. How do I have this energy? It's a compound effect too, because the way I build my energy management over the day, that make me lost my energy today. People always think about, oh, energy is infinite source of, but no, you have a limited source of energy as well every day. So you have to make the best use of energy in the day, and you cannot do that. But what you can do, you can use the power of compounding to optimize your energy usage every day a little more, and little more, and little more. And then you will have a great thing. Like an example, if you go to the gym, let's say another example. This is what people always get wrong. If you go to the gym, if you do the 10-hour straight exercise, you're going to break your body and you will not be able to leave the body for bed for next few days. But if you go to the gym every day for next 2 months, and you spend just 30 minutes into the gym and really do proper dieting and you do enough sleep, you're going to have a really healthy body. So, like an example, right now, there's a social lockdown going on. We cannot go out because of the pandemic issues. But if you don't end up doing right fooding and you do the right exercising at home area, in over 2 or 3 years, or even 1 month of time, your health can go really Detroit too. So this is the way. Compound effect can go opposite direction too. If you're not learning, means you are actually not progressing. So you're going behind. You are not going up. Like an example, if you are not eating healthy for a few days, that means you're going to continue eating unhealthy food for more days, and that will get you a bad health. The same way, if you start to sleep few days late, like 1 or 2 a.m., you sleep very late, and then over time you'll start to have a bad habit of staying up late, and you'll have a really bad struggle waking up in the morning to go to work. And then you keep coming to the work really tired and not healthy and not happy, and you're not performing to your best, and then your whole career could go to a completely different zone. So this is the way you gotta get those basics really correct and find a way to even make it better and make it consistent, and then you will have a great compound effect to make your life successful. So if you have any problem, you're trying to use the compound effect in any part of your career, or professional or business, entrepreneurship or brand building, and if you need any advice, go ahead and comment below. If you have any challenge you are facing to implementing compound effect, go ahead and comment over there below in the video. Myself and my team are definitely going to give you an answer. So this is the thing I like to repeat again. We give 100% response to every possible comments you put over there. So if you put a comment over there, definitely you're going to get an answer. And here we go. Today is the 5th video. Check it out, the other 4 mental blocks. Those are really powerful as well. So it's in the channel. You can see in the top right corner some videos there. At the same time, the next 2 days, the 6th mental block video we'll be publishing. So if you have not subscribed the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe the channel so you don't miss the next mental block as well too. And here we go. You're a professional or entrepreneur and you need to be successful. So let's use the mental block and become successful. All the best.